Most people get ESIMs wrong. They assume buying a local SIM is always the best option. In Myanmar, that's not always true. I tested all the top ESIM providers to find the best options for travelers and digital nomads. Top ESIM providers include Airlo, Nomad, and Holofly. Airlo offers budget-friendly plans starting as low as $5 for 1 GB, which is great for short stays. Nomad offers faster speeds with better coverage, ideal for remote work. Holofly gives unlimited data plans, but at a premium. Most people get this wrong by assuming unlimited is always necessary. It really depends on how much data you plan to use. Setting up an ESIM is simple. Scan the QR code, follow the prompts, and your phone switches to the new data plan without needing a physical SIM card. Coverage in major cities like Yangon and Mandalay is strong, but rural areas may experience slower speeds, so pick a provider with reliable coverage if you are traveling outside urban centers. In my testing, Airlo offered the best balance of affordability and convenience for short trips. Nomad is better for those who need consistent high-speed data, and Holofly is ideal for unlimited data users. Most people get this wrong by choosing based on price alone. They should consider speed, coverage, and plan duration. In conclusion, the best ESIM for Myanmar depends on your travel style. Budget travelers should go with Airlo, frequent users with Nomad, and unlimited fans with Holofly. Subscribe for more ESIM travel guides to stay connected wherever you go.